This is the Power Jack 8000 watt pure sine. Just going to demonstrate the UPS function. So at the moment I'm running with a 240 volt AC input into the unit, and it is running my koi fish pond. So now I am going to power down the 240 and let's see how clean the switchover is onto battery. You can see it's all running off the mains. It all runs via the garage. Mains input, I'm about to turn off and see what happens. A slight pause for a second, but that's nothing too serious. So it looks like the Power Jack does work correctly for this function.